Welcome to the BrightAction platform. Before watching this tutorial, watch the student video, which will provide an overview of how the site works. Then, return and watch this video to learn a few additional steps and tips for teachers. There are a few additional steps that teachers need to take to create the custom link for students to sign up. Number 1, find your local site, and number 2, create your community group. Let's get started. If you don't already know your local site link, go to BrightAction.app. Enter your state and city in the drop-down menus and click Go. Complete the form to create your account. Once you have filled out everything with the red asterisk, clicked the automated spam submissions box, and you can read the terms of use and privacy policy, click Create New Account. Once you have created your account, the next step is to create a community group for your classes. Click on Invite Your Friends and Community button at the top of your dashboard. Then click on Create a Community Group. Complete the form to create your group. All items marked with a red asterisk are required. First, add a name, select the type of group, and click the Make My Group Private box. If the group is private, it will not be included in the public list of groups for people to join. Select your state and city, and you have the opportunity to upload a group logo if you choose to do so from your phone or your computer. You can also write a welcome message to your students when you invite them to your group. Once you have these things, click Save. Once your group page is created, you will have a custom invite link at the top of the page to provide to students to use to create their accounts. Instruct students to use this custom link to create their own account, and they will automatically be added to your group. Follow the instructions in the student and household profile videos to complete your account setup and learn more about the platform. A few additional notes for teachers. On community group and team pages, you and your students can create posts. These posts will only go to members of the group or team. So for example, here is a sample post. All posts have a flagging system, and anyone can report a post at any time. By selecting the 3 dots on the corner of the post, you can report any inappropriate or concerning content. As soon as a post is reported, it will automatically be removed and held for administrator approval. To be able to verify that students have completed the actions, it is important to require them to post a photo and description of how they completed the action when they mark it done. When students mark an action complete, they are automatically prompted to post a photo and description, so this will be easy for students to do. Then, you will see the actions they have completed in the community group feed. Teachers, emphasize to your students that when actions are completed, it impacts data. It's important that students are actually completing their actions because when they are marked done, they are recorded. And we want the data at BrightAction to accurately reflect the actions taken. Be careful with team challenges where students might have an incentive to report more than they have accomplished. If you are interested in organizing a challenge competition, one way is to have students create teams. See the Climate Solutions activity doc and the team creation video for more information. Make sure they have signed up and created their accounts through your community group link before creating teams, so they are connected with your group and you will see all the actions they complete. The only thing to consider about student teams is that you will not be able to see any team-specific postings. Since a user can only be part of one team, you will not be able to join all of your students' teams. If you prefer your students not have the ability to post to each other without your oversight, then you can run a challenge and track progress through your community group page only. It is also strongly encouraged that action items for school challenges be limited to youth-friendly action items in order to provide equitable competition. This category is included on the Actions page. Teachers, if you need account support on using the platform, click on the question mark icon on the blue navigation toolbar and fill out the form. For questions or suggestions on the classroom program, please visit our Facebook group at Teachers for Climate Solutions.